everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thomas. I'm the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor, and as you can tell by the thumbnail of this video, I finally got an Amazon storefront. But I'm excited about it, y'all. I added a little snippet in this video of just what you can expect when you go to the page. Keep in mind, I have ordered thousands, I can really say thousands of things from Amazon pertaining to events. Not wholesale, nothing like that, but just thousands of things that the regular consumer can get. For those of you who like to do your own DIYs, for those of you who don't like to do the big events, but you like things that I do, centerpieces, or you like the drapes, you like to do small things for your family members, or you are the DIY type of person where you rather do your own event yourself and do the whole big event. I have all of those things in my carts. Not my carts, in my list. So I just want you to take a minute. After this video, you can pause it here, during the video, whatever you want to do. Pull it up on your phone, pull it up on your computer, pull it up somewhere on your iPad, and just scroll. Take a look at what I have. I have things like linen. I have all of the balloons I've ever ordered. I have the chairs. I have my centerpieces. I have my florals. I have my props and trinkets. I have my miscellaneous party. I have my chair sashes and my chair covers. It's just so many things that I didn't even realize that I ordered. And I know for a fact that there are a lot of things that I have not added. And as I get more into, you know, getting everything set up and getting it like really up and running, then I'll be adding those things down the road. But I've added the important things that I use to make centerpieces, things that I use to cut, all of that good stuff. So I'm not going to prolong this portion of the video because the next portion is just me going through everything that you can expect to see. But make sure before you get to that part, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload my videos. All right, so basically when you log into my Amazon storefront, or when you visit my Amazon storefront page, this is what you should see. Again, it's just getting started out, so I have some other things that I wanted to upload or that I want to customize. But you'll see a picture of me, you'll see my name, and then a small kind of note at the top of my page. And if you're not busy and you got an Amazon account, go ahead and hit follow. But if you scroll down, you'll see different lists that I have created. And I try to categorize them as best as I can in my mind to specify what items I use for what. So you'll see that I have a linen category. You'll see that I have balloons. I've got storage and event props and items. I've got tabletop essentials, furniture and rugs, florals, drapes, centerpieces, and I have miscellaneous party and props and trinkets. Oh, I'm sorry, and chair covers. So I guess we can just go through everything and see what's in there. And I'll just kind of do a brief overview. I'm excited about it, y'all. I hope y'all are. But this is, or are some of the things that I have ordered from Amazon and that I use. So I recently just started back using my wireless hot glue gun. And these are the glass trays that I use now. You can get them cheaper on websterrant.com, but if you're in a pinch and you need to get it now, this is a good seller to purchase it from. Then I also have the shelving for my unit, for my storage. These are caster wheels that I use for my throne chairs. I don't bring them out often because sometimes they get in my way, and the slightest little thing will make it stop, or it will get it caught up. You know how wheels are. So if you have throne chairs, or if you have big furniture and you want to move it easily, you just put these caster wheels under each one of your legs and you can move it. I have a black bag like this. I'm going to add more of the totes and the items that I use to kind of transport stuff. I'm trying to get more professional with that, so I got some more stuff that I will be adding to this list. But those are some of the items there. And if you go back, you'll see what we have. Balloons is 247 items in this one, y'all. It is 247 items. I have never purchased Hot Shine, but I've heard great things about them. It's on sale for $20.89, and I've seen some reviews, so that's a great product. And I also have the, I think it's a Mega Shine in my cart as well. But these are strictly balloons that I have used. I didn't go necessarily through them to see the names, but some of them are good, some of them are bad. You'll see mostly Party Woo in all of these, and then the 4 balloons that I've used. But oh, I forgot Root Fact, and let's see. Sometimes I purchase garlands that already have all of the pieces included. So when you get a chance, just take a look at that. Again, not a lot to go through. And then this is my linen. I don't get all of my linen from here. I really don't even purchase linen from Amazon like that unless I only need a small amount or if I'm pressed for time to get the linen. But I've gotten table skirts. Most of my spandex tablecloths did come from here though, so I got a bunch of those listed and linked. A bunch of different colors. I have my tablecloths for my cocktail tables. I did order some premium velvet linen from them before, and then I also have some sequin linen from them. So they do have them through different sellers, so it's not like you're, getting something crazy. You're gonna get something that's of good quality. All of this linen I still have, plus the linen that I ordered from CB Linen. So my tabletop essentials is gonna be more so like your glasses, your utensils. Got a bunch of different brands of utensils because that's how I've ordered. And a lot of people have asked me, am I using real utensils? No, I am not. I'm using all disposable utensils. I have the ones with the wood grain handle, the ones with the white handles, my golds, my silvers, my, what do you call this? The rose gold. All of what I've used, my plates, and I think I have napkin rings in here too. Yep, I got my napkin rings. There are some more napkin rings I need to add to this, so I still got a ways to go. I had to go back 7 years to add this stuff. And then I have my furniture and my rugs, all of what I've ordered and used. Items that I've even ordered that I had to return because I didn't use it or that I never opened, like this boho rug. I know I ordered it, but I never used it. And then I am planning on purchasing me some of these fan back chairs. I like those. I can only find this throne chair. So I gotta figure out what's going on with that. And then all of the Chivalry chairs that I purchased, kid Chivalry chairs, the adult Chivalry chairs. I purchased some of those from here and some of those from an independent seller. And then my love seats as well. I'm just showing you all. Y'all can look on your on your own time, but my florals, my fillers, my wedding pins, my centerpiece holders, things like that. So if you're looking at making some nice, beautiful centerpieces, this is where you want to come. And I stand behind everything that's here. Because if I didn't like it, I didn't put it in here. And then we also have the drapes. I don't order my drapes from here anymore, but AK Trading Company is a great supplier. Great supplier. You're going to see that I order a lot from AK Trading Company. Oh, and backdrops too. And my infamous backdrop stands. So if you need a backdrop stand, it looks like this one comes with a bag. Y'all been asking about the bags that come with it. This is going to be a great purchase. Then I got my centerpieces, frames that I've ordered before. Some of this stuff is unavailable, but you can always find the alternative if you click into the link. It'll give you other options. Okay. Then I have, this is miscellaneous party right here. So these are things like the candy bags, the boxes, the little trinkets and the cups and things that I use for my kids' parties, as well as the plates and the sets. So I think that's going to be something that you guys will like too. Probably should have put this in the balloons, but this is like props and trinkets for my Chanel baby shower, for my Winnie the Pooh and my bee events, my bandanas, my napkins. These are things that I use to fill tables and to fill areas in the room to add to my themes. That's a better way to put it. So I'm sure there's a lot more that I need to add, but this is the gist of what I have. And then last but not least is self-explanatory, my chair covers and chair sashes. I need to remove this one. I don't know why that's here, but that's a tablecloth. I need to go in the linen. Then I got my chair covers that I have not used in forever. They take so long. But yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all that. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Like I said, I'm just excited. I'm really, really excited. So make sure you go over, click the link in the description of this video. It'll take you straight to my storefront, and you can just shop all you want to. It's small things. You can do what you want to do. But hopefully you guys support me, and this will keep me having to post links. But if there's something that you don't see, that you know that I've said I've ordered from Amazon and you need a link, let me know and I'll make sure I get it to you. Until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all stay blessed.